If you've got chicken legs, this is the fix. Start with barbell squats. 3 sets of 12 reps to build overall leg size and strength. Then do barbell lunges. 3 sets of 10 reps per leg to target quads and glutes. Finish with Romanian deadlifts. 3 sets of 12 reps to grow your hamstrings and complete your leg development. Stay consistent, increase the weight gradually, and your legs will start to transform.
It's the only dumbbell arm workout you'll ever need. Start with hammer curls. Build raw thickness and forearm power. Straight into overhead extensions. Heavy stretch, brutal squeeze for those triceps. Next, underhand spider curls. No cheating, just pure peak isolation. Then DB skull crushers. Strict, controlled, destroy the long head. After that, single arm isolation curls. Drag every rep, lock the elbow, no ego. Finish with the crossbody extensions. Carve out those horseshoes one arm at a time. Run this and your arms won't just grow and they'll explode.
Ready to burn your abs? Do this 30 seconds per exercise. Frog crunches, fully contract. Flutter kicks, maximum gain. Mountain climbers, speed up the rhythm. Bicycle crunches, target the obliques. Shoulder taps, stay stable. Kettlebell Russian twists, feel the burn. Side plank, hold strong. Superman hold, engage the core. Record this video, come back stronger.
If your shoulders aren't growing, your dumbbell work is wrong. Front delts. Front and side delts. Front delts. Side delts. Rear delts and traps. Trapezius muscles. Save this and come back stronger.